Hi, my name is Annaka Ketterer. Today we're going to be talking about how to switch between the sketch and modeling environments in Fusion 360 using only keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do while in the modeling environment is call up a sketch command. This could be something like L for line, C for circle, or R for rectangle. Hitting one of these hotkeys will start a new sketch and bring up the command. Once you're finished with your sketch, call up extrude by using the hotkey E. This will end the sketch and perform the command. Another way to end a sketch is to create a custom hotkey on the end sketch command. To create a custom hotkey, first find the command you would like to use in your toolbar. Once you've found your command, hover over it for a second and hit the 3 vertical dots. Then select Change Keyboard Shortcut. After the dialog box appears, use your favorite key or combo of keys to set as your new custom keyboard shortcut. You can also combine modifiers like Shift, Control, Alt Option, and Command with an alphanumeric key to give you your perfect and unique keyboard shortcut. When you're finished, hit OK. This hotkey will be associated to your account no matter where you log in or which device you sign in on. If you ever forget what hotkey you assigned a command, simply hover over it. The hotkey will appear to the right of its name. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.